here at the Jackson residence in this cool tree house. It's one of my favorite spots in the backyard. This is definitely the main area right here. Big old tree with the tree house. You know, the stairs popping down. Definitely a cool little accent area. We have many projects going on this week at this house. We have metal edging that are going in back here in the backyard. That accents this artificial turf, which is pretty cool too. Don't really get too many of these jobs. Then they also have the pool area and then the little pergola area over there to sit and relax. Definitely a very interesting backyard. Every time I look around, I notice something different. We have a little pond feature over here. This tree house reminds me a lot of my daughter, you know, having a good time. Kids back here playing, have the grill cooking, and the swimming pool, you know, just relaxing, having a good time. We have a patio that's going up front. We're having a split wall seating wall, so they have access to get to their back access on the side. And then also we have irrigation going on out front. We moved the sculpture, got the sculpture set up for up front. Lots of plants, just make it like how it looks in the backyard. Nice tropical, inviting, very, you know, chill atmosphere. Kind of like what I like, you know, just like this, a nice relaxing area to sit and enjoy the rest of the day. 2-week job. Me and my crew, we always try to strive to get it done a little bit quicker. On day 1, we do all the excavation, pulling out of trees, pulling out of all the bushes, pretty much grading everything, getting everything down to bare surface so we can see what we're messing with. And then once we get to that point, I'll spray out what the patio design is going to be. I also will check for all irrigation and electrical conduits and stuff like that. In this case, inside this yard, we have 2 electrical outlets that are actually in the landscape. So we got to watch out for that and make sure we don't damage any of that. Also, we have a split seating retaining wall. So what I mean by that is the bottom half of it actually is holding in the crushcrete. And then from that point on, we'll put weed mat inside, make sure the crushcrete doesn't pour out the little cracks and stuff on the wall. And then we'll build it up. So with our wall, we have 5 courses. We have 1 course underneath the ground and 4 courses above that. Like I said, it's a split wall, so we have the 4 plus the cap. We also have the pavers that are laid down on top of that. That's all on day 2. Day 3, just pretty much cleaning everything up, doing all the landscape and just minor details here and there. Our job was scheduled for 2 weeks. Like I said before, we always strive to get it done a little bit early. In this case, we did. We got it done a little bit earlier than the 2 weeks. The job is complete on my end, but there's always a little bit of punch out, no matter what job it is. So I gotta go back, knock out a little bit of the punch out, and that job will be 100% complete.